Hey guys, Stuart Gould here and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to install the Divi theme on WordPress. Now the reason I want to talk about this is because there's a lot of beginners out there that want to build a website using WordPress, but they're not too sure what theme to go for. Now the reason I recommend the Divi theme, it is a premium theme, but it's such a powerful and easy to use WordPress theme. Anyone can use it, from beginners to experts. The reason I use it is because it's simple, it's easily customizable. My clients' websites have the Divi theme installed because they can easily make edits without having any knowledge around, coding, any of that development side of things when it comes to building a website. So it's really easy and simple to use. It's great for beginners. So let's jump straight into it. Now we're going to go through my notes, how to install the Divi theme on WordPress. So let's go to number 1, navigate WordPress backend. Okay, so let's do that. This is the WordPress backend. If you're not familiar with it because you're new, then I'll just go through some basic stuff because we really want to focus on installing the Divi theme. So this is where you're going to see information about updates, about any new posts, comments, anything to do with your website, and the changes that you've made or you need to make. So all that relevant information is going to pop up on your dashboard. Okay, so if we pop over to the left side, if you go down to appearances and click themes, it's going to pull you over to this page, the themes page. Now this is the theme I currently have active. Okay, I've just installed WordPress. So similar to you, if you've just installed WordPress, you're either going to have one of the 3 default themes. Okay, you're going to have 2016, 2017, or 2019. I currently have 2019. So to view your website, to see what it currently looks like, you pop up to your website here and click Visit Site. And this is what your website's going to roughly look like. Okay, it's not very appealing, it's not very attractive. That's because we haven't made any edits just yet. Okay, this is just the standard look when you install a theme. Okay, so if we go back to our dashboard, and if we pop down, and I'll grab out my notes, navigate WordPress backend. Yep, I'll talk more detail in another video about the backend. So we can say we've completed this. And then if we go view current theme, we've done that. So completed, and then purchase Divi theme. Okay, let's jump onto that. So if you can see this link here, this is an affiliate link, which means if you click on this link, which is in the description of the video below, that means it's going to take you to Elegant Themes where we can purchase Divi theme. And if you decide to purchase the Divi theme or one of the packages, then I'll get paid a percentage. And this just kind of helps me support this channel so I can keep providing valuable content. So I appreciate it in advance. So let's copy this and let's jump up onto our Google tab, and I'm going to paste it up here and click enter. Now you can just click the link in the description, it's going to take you straight to this page. Now if we scroll down, this is the Elegant Themes website. Okay, now if you like, you can browse through the menu when you have the time to look at more details, but what I'm going to do is just get straight into it. If we come down to the bottom, you'll see sign up today. So if you click this, it's going to take you to 2 different pricing options. Now they're essentially the same in regards to what they offer, except one's a yearly access and the other is a lifetime access. Okay, so you only pay $249 one time, and then you have access to all the themes, all the plugins, and all the support, okay, for an entire lifetime. Whereas on the other hand, on this left side, you've got the yearly access, which you pay $89 per year every year. I think for beginners this is the best option because you can see if this theme works for you, if you like the other themes that Elegant Themes provides, and you can decide after a year if you want to renew it or if you want to upgrade to the lifetime access, which you can do anytime. Now, both packages come with the risk-free guarantee, so if you decide you don't like the theme within the 30 days, then you can get your money back. Okay, so choose the option that best suits you, whether it's the yearly access or the lifetime access. And once you've done your details, you've put your details in, then what's going to happen is you'll be able to log in. So I'm going to log in now because I've already got an account with Elegant Themes, and you'll be taken to the members area once you've put in your details, once you've purchased one of the packages, you'll be able to sign in. Now I'll meet you here. Once you're here, what you'll see on your dashboard is installing Divi. Okay, it's the first downloadable option on your dashboard. That's because obviously it's the most popular. And now we'll pop down here and we'll click download. Okay, now once that's downloaded, what you're going to do is pop over to your dashboard, your WordPress dashboard once again, and come back down to appearances like we did before, pop over to themes, and then once we're here, you've got two areas that you can click to add the new theme, either over here or up the top. So I'm going to click up here, upload theme, because we want to upload the file we just downloaded. Choose file location, Divi, open. Now mine says Divi brackets 4 because I've downloaded it multiple times. Now install now. Now this might take a few moments depending on the speed of your internet, but give it a moment and it's just going to upload and install that Divi theme onto your WordPress. And then you've got to manually install it so it becomes your current theme. Okay, so as you can see here, unpacking the package, installing the theme installed successfully. Great. Now return to themes page. If we click that there, and as you can see, there's the Divi theme with the big D, and we'll click activate. And that's going to make this your current theme. And there we go. New theme activated. Visit site. Now you can click visit site here, or you can do what we did before, and we went up to the left corner and clicked visit site. And there you go. Divi. Hello world. This is your new theme. Now with that installed, let's configure the settings. Now if I jump back down to our notes, let's see what we've completed. Okay, so we have purchased the Divi theme. So that's completed. We've downloaded and installed the Divi themes. That's completed. Now all we need to do is configure the API key and change a few settings. So let's do that now. We'll jump back over to our dashboard. If we come down our dashboard and you'll find the Divi theme, if you click Divi, it will take you to theme options. So what we'll mess around with now is we won't look into too much, but essentially all you need to change to start working on your new website now is if you pop over to updates and you want to put in your Divi username and API key. So to find that, you go back to your Elegant Themes membership area, and if you go over to accounts, it's going to pop up with the API key information. So your API key, click this, and there we go. So manage API key. This allows you to make updates on your website. Okay, so like I was saying at the start of this video, you've got an amazing support team behind Elegant Themes and Divi. They're always updating and making the Divi theme better every day. So this is going to allow you to be able to make those updates when a new update is available. So if we copy that one and we pop back over to theme options, and if you go down to API key and you click paste, you put your API key there and then your username up here. So mine is that, and then you can save changes. There we go, all done. Now if we go back to our dashboard up here, we've completed the basic information, the basic process to getting your Divi theme up and running. And as you can see, we're at the current WordPress 5.0 version running the Divi theme. Now you can start building your perfect, your amazing website. Now I'm going to be producing videos every week about different tricks and different ways you can produce an amazing website. So with that being said, if we click on our notes, we can write completed. And that's everything you need to know when it comes to purchasing and installing your Divi theme on your WordPress website. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.